apparent shift in position of the star. I'll explain this. So we have seen that starlight, when it reaches us, what happens? It will bend. The amount of bending, it depends on the atmosphere, but we know that it will bend and it will reach us. Okay, not to this extent though. Anyways, doesn't matter. I'll keep it the same. Now, so this is the original path of the light. This should have been the original path of the light. Something like this. Right? But instead of that, it is altogether bent in a direction which will show that the star is somewhere over here. Why? See, for us, it depends on where the light reaches us, which direction it reaches us. So if we happen to stand over here, okay, so say over here. So for us, the tangent at this point, I hope you guys remember the word tangent and understand the word tangent. If I draw a tangent over there, okay, so this is the path the star looks to be at. This is the new position of the star. This is the actual position and this is the new position. And this is our Earth and this is our atmosphere with decreasing refractive index. Sorry, increasing refractive index. Increasing refractive index. Right? So this is the entire picture. Okay. So let's read the write-up. We do not see the sun or the star in the true position except when it's directly overhead. Right? When it's at a particular angle, we see some shift, not to this extent, but a small shift. Why? Earth's atmosphere is made up of layers of air with varying optical density. As we move from upper layer to the lower, the density increases and thus the refractive index also increases. Thus, when a ray of light from the star enters Earth's atmosphere at P, okay, B being this point, it undergoes multiple refraction. It continuously bends towards the radius of the Earth. That is bent towards the normal. That is the case for pretty much everything, right? Every point, this happens. The ray of light will reach the observer's eye O, and it appears as if it has come along the direction AO. So this is the direction AO instead of the true direction BO. As a result, we see a different position of the star than what actually it is. What actually it's supposed to be. We don't see that. We see something altogether different. Okay. So this is the entire write-up. Okay. And I don't think you can. If you want to reduce it a bit, you can. I don't know. Yeah, the first part you can reduce it a bit, but the second half and all of this and the diagram, you guys have to write. Not this fancy diagram. You can just draw a straight line and call it as Earth. That's enough. But yeah, all this top wala, you guys have to write. Okay, so please pause, draw the diagram and also the write-up.